Stem cells are amazing and they will fix every problem you have. Let's get into it. So if you've heard that claim or statement before, know that it is false. Stem cells are not a panacea. They don't fix everything. And anybody that tells you that, you should probably turn and run the other way. Now let's start by saying I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nurse, I'm not a nurse practitioner. I am in no way certified to give medical advice, so I'm not going to. What I am going to do is tell you how I've seen stem cells help hundreds and hundreds of people in their own unique ways. Now, stem cells are in everybody. You store them in your fat and in your bone marrow. And what I would say is that when you're born with the stem cells, they make you. They're given to you by your mother and contributed by your father. And the stem cells that I'm talking about are mesenchymal stem cells. If you just type in MSC into Google Scholar or ChatGPT and type MSC treatment for ... whatever's ailing you, whether it's dry macular degeneration, osteoarthritis, psoriatic arthritis, knee problems, separated shoulders, autism. If you type that in, you'll see there's links to literally thousands of studies that show the efficacy of stem cell treatment. Now again, these are taken from the umbilical cords after healthy births. They are not harvested from fetal tissue. These are not embryonic stem cells. That's immoral, that's illegal. And embryonic stem cells always want to become an embryo. So people that use those, and there are some, they will always cause tumors. We're talking about MSCs from the Wharton's jelly that's inside the umbilical cord that provides cushioning for that baby during birth. Okay, everything that, all the stem cells that come into a baby, the new stem cells come from that. And here's the thing, when we're babies, our stem cells divide, or our cells, including our stem cells, divide once every 24 hours. That means at the end of a month, there's 32 million new cells in the body. By the time you get to my age at 55, it takes 60 hours, and the linear math doesn't really make sense because I get 200 new cells a month. So if I have an injury or I have inflammation that's going to require 10,000 cells to treat that, I'm always going to be at a deficit. However, if I could get day zero cells, or cells that came from a umbilical cord that were brand new, and I could get those basically given to me, basically an infusion of new stem cells, what can that do for me? See a need and fill it, find a hurt and heal it. If you want more information, comment below. I'll put some links in here. Or if you want to disagree with me, I welcome that. Again, for more information like this, better call Sean now.